Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 1st March. And first of all, national news. Stay order in civil criminal cases won't automatically expire. Supreme Court. FASTag KYC deadline could be extended beyond February 29, a report said. 90% of Himalayas will face year-long drought at 3 degrees warming. Gautam Adani ranks number 10 in a list of the 100 most powerful Indians compiled by Indian Express. India's vaccine companies, a treasure to the world, Bill Gates. Sovereign decision center on denying entry to India origin writer. International Big Cat Alliance to be set up in India, cabinet gave nod. 20 Indians trapped in Russia Ukraine war zone send SOS government. First civilian team reach Maldives to replace military personnel center. Railway unions threaten to stop trains from May 1 if old pension demand not met. Vedanta can't reopen Sterlite copper plant, public health important, Supreme Court. Railway unions threatened to stop trains from May 1st if old pension demand not met. Now, some international news. Apple to disclose plans about artificial intelligence later this year, CEO Tim Cook said. PM Modi Mauritius counterpart to jointly inaugurate development projects. Taiwan detected 19 Chinese military aircraft, 7 naval vessels closing in. Amid poll rigging allegations, Pak's newly elected parliament took oath. Journalists use AI tools to trace German militant before cops could. Spring came early, February likely warmest on record amid climate change. Now some sports news. Paul Pogba, FIFA World Cup winner, handed 4-year doping ban, a report said. Big debut for India in Dharamsala test against England. Report made massive revelation. Shreyas Iyer and Ishan Kishan found themselves excluded as the BCCI announced its centrally contracted players for 2023-24. KL Rahul has been ruled out of the fifth and final test of the 5-match series against England in Dharamsala, BCCI. Bajrang Punia refused to appear in WFI selection trials, urged court to put stay on competition. Yoki Bhambri made his first ATP 500 semi-finals in men's doubles. Now, business-related news. GDP growth beat estimates in third quarter, economy to expand 7.6% this year. Manufacturing construction base effect seen to boost growth to 8.4% in quarter 3. Paytm likely to move majority merchant accounts to Yes Bank, a report said. India's GDP growth zooms to 8.4% in quarter 3, financial year 24 growth pegged at 7.6%. And that's all in news. Thank you.